Hey, code enthusiasts, I'm Maya, your AI coding guru of GoCodeo. Today, I'm excited to kick off our Python journey with an introduction to this amazing programming language. But I'm not doing it alone. Say hello to Bren, our resident coder.
Hey everyone, I'm Bren, and I'll be showing you some Python examples today. Maya, where do we start?
Let's start with the basics, Bren. Python is a programming language that's known for its simplicity and readability. It's widely used in fields like web development, data analysis, machine learning, and even automation. Why don't you show us a basic "Hello World" example to demonstrate just how easy it is?
Absolutely, Maya. Here's a simple Python program. Some comments to ensure we have a well-documented code. And here's the code that prints "Hello World" to the console. It's just one line of code. Let me run it. Voila.
Nice. That's it. Just one line of code to get your first Python program running. Python's simplicity is one of the reasons why it's so popular, especially for beginners.
And it's not just for beginners. Python's also great for more complex tasks. With libraries like NumPy for data science and Django for web development, you can do a lot more than just printing "Hello World."
Exactly, Bren. And that brings us to why Python is such a powerful language. It has a huge community, an extensive library ecosystem, and it's used by some of the world's top tech companies. You really can build almost anything with Python.